So, my dear friends, this is an opportunity from Sun Pharma. So, here you can see the vacancies. They're looking for technician production injectable department ITI or diploma with 2 to 8 years of experience, and officer or executive production injectables. BPharma Mpharm is the qualification. Minimum 2 years experience is required, and officer or executive engineering plant maintenance BE mechanical electrical 2 to 8 years of experience. Officer or executive micro MSc microbiology, and officer or executive QA BPharm or Mpharm 2 to 8 years of experience. So minimum 2 years of experience is mandatory for all the positions. My dear friends, you know Sun Pharma is one of the leading companies in India, and this is a great place to work, certified company. So if you wish to change to a new company having the required experience in the parental manufacturing, and if you wish to move to this company like Sun Pharma, so this is a good opportunity, my dear friends. So interested candidates need to share your resume on the HR dot, here you can see, to the following mail ID, and then you need to mention the current CTC and the expected CTC also. So these are the details, my dear friends. Please utilize the opportunity for job updates. If you wish to receive job updates like this for experienced as well as freshers candidates, subscribe to our YouTube channel pharmajobalert.in. Thank you.